freedom, freedom. He's a dictator. He's a dictator. A lot of people are saying maybe we like a dictator.
No one is saying that. And if anyone is, they are absolutely unworthy of what that flag represents. America was founded on the concept of fighting against tyranny and dictatorship in every form that it may come, and we are not about to start bending the knee now. It is our heritage as Americans that when the government ceases to represent the common good of the people, that government shall be replaced with those who will. My name is Sam Lux, and I am running for Congress in 2026 because our fight against tyranny is not a thing of history, it is happening right now. Fight with me, and let's keep America a free democracy of the people, by the people, and for the people, for our generation and all those to come.